When it comes to home improvement projects, few things can have as immediate and impactful an effect as replacing old, worn-out doors. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, improving energy efficiency, or enhancing security, replacing doors is a smart investment. However, this project can be complex, and to get the best results, hiring a door replacement expert in Orangeburg is your best option. Here's why trusting professionals with your door replacement is the smartest choice for your home. Expertise and experience. Replacing doors may seem like a straightforward task, but it requires a certain level of skill and knowledge to ensure proper installation. Experts in door replacement have years of experience working with a wide range of door types, materials, and installations. They understand the nuances of measuring, fitting, and securing doors, ensuring that they function properly and securely once installed. For example, fitting a door involves precise measurements of the door frame, which can be tricky with older homes or non-standard openings. Without proper installation, your new door may not fit properly, leading to issues with drafts, difficulty closing, or even compromised security. Door replacement experts have the tools, techniques, and experience to guarantee a flawless installation that will last for years. Save time and avoid DIY mistakes. While DIY projects can be tempting, they often end up taking longer than expected, especially when it comes to complex tasks like door replacement. If you're not familiar with the process, you may run into issues such as incorrect measurements, improper frame adjustments, or difficulty aligning the door correctly. These mistakes can not only waste your time but also increase costs if additional repairs are needed. By hiring professionals, you're ensuring that the job gets done quickly and efficiently. Experts can typically complete the installation in a fraction of the time it would take a DIYer, allowing you to enjoy your new door sooner. Plus, with their experience, they are less likely to make mistakes, which means you won't have to deal with frustrating setbacks. Access to high-quality materials and products. Another advantage of hiring door replacement experts in Orangeburg is their access to high-quality materials and products. These professionals work directly with reputable manufacturers, giving you access to a wide range of top-tier doors that you might not find at your local hardware store. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient doors, custom designs, or doors made from durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or wood, professionals can help you choose the best option for your home's needs. They will also ensure that your new door meets local building codes and safety standards, giving you peace of mind that your door is not only beautiful but also structurally sound. Improved home security. One of the primary reasons homeowners replace doors is to improve security, and professional door replacement experts can help you achieve that goal. Modern doors are designed with advanced security features, such as reinforced frames, stronger locks, and impact-resistant glass. A professional installer can ensure that your new door is properly secured to protect your home from break-ins. If your current door is old, warped, or damaged, it could compromise your home's security. DIY installations, or hiring a non-specialized contractor, may lead to poorly secured doors, making it easier for intruders to gain access. By trusting experts, you're making sure your new door is installed with all the necessary safety features to keep your home secure. Better energy efficiency. In Orangeburg, where temperatures can range from hot summers to cooler winters, energy efficiency is key to maintaining comfort in your home. Poorly installed or outdated doors can let drafts in, making it harder to maintain a stable indoor temperature. This can lead to higher heating and cooling costs as your HVAC system works overtime to compensate for the air leaks. Door replacement experts can help you choose energy-efficient doors designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home more comfortable year-round. With features like insulated cores, double or triple glazing, and weather stripping, modern doors can dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency. Proper installation is key to ensuring these features perform at their best, and that's where professionals come in. Custom fit and design. Every home is unique, and finding the perfect door for your space isn't always as simple as choosing a style off the shelf. Professional door replacement experts offer custom options tailored to your home's specific dimensions and design preferences. Whether you need a larger or smaller door, a unique frame style, or specific hardware, a professional can provide the customization you need to match your home's aesthetic. Additionally, experts can guide you in selecting a door that enhances curb appeal, increasing the overall value of your property. If you're looking to improve your home's first impression, custom doors designed by professionals can elevate the look of your entryway. Warranty and peace of mind. A significant benefit of hiring experts for door replacement is the warranty and peace of mind that comes with their services. Reputable professionals often offer warranties on both the materials and the labor, meaning that if anything goes wrong after installation, you're covered. This gives you assurance that the investment you're making is protected. Moreover, professional installers stand behind their work, so you can trust that the job will be done right the first time. If you encounter any issues, you'll have a trusted expert available to assist you, which can be a lifesaver compared to trying to resolve problems on your own. Conclusion: the best choice for your Orangeburg home. Hiring door replacement experts in Orangeburg is the best way to ensure a smooth, successful project that enhances both the function and aesthetics of your home. With their expertise, access to high-quality materials, and commitment to proper installation, professionals can help you choose the perfect door and install it with precision. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, security, or curb appeal, the right experts will deliver results that you'll enjoy for years to come. Investing in professional door replacement ensures that your home not only looks great but is also secure, comfortable, and energy efficient.